Japan is said to be the world's safest country, and we are Japan's leading disaster prevention product manufacturer. Since our establishment, we've followed the same core philosophy: protect invaluable lives and assets. Everything we do is focused on preventing disasters. And we are proud to say we've devoted our business to protecting the most important things in life. Yamato Protec, a century of safety. State-of-the-art attractions, museums housing rare art, broadcasting stations providing vital information, and airports serving as gateways to Japan. They all need protection. Our disaster prevention technologies, while located in places paramount to safety, are designed to be unnoticeable. For example, the Tokyo Skytree features our latest disaster prevention system, blending into the tower's architecture and helping to ensure the safety of visitors.
東京の今シンボルといいますか、観光スポットになっておりますので、すごい誇らしく思っております。
At Tokyo's National Art Center, Yamato Protec helps protect the nation's invaluable treasures with the nation's largest disaster prevention systems.
飛行機の燃料、そういう危険物を扱うところになりますので、特に爆発とかですね、そういったところを気をつけて消火設備の方をつけてますので、そういう意味では自衛隊、米軍等、国のものであったり、飛行機かなり高額なものになりますので、そういったものを守ってるっていう意味ではかなりやりがいのある仕事だと思いますね。
As times change, the kinds of disasters we might face change too. Disaster prevention technology must evolve in order to prevent catastrophes that were once unimaginable. In server rooms that have lines of computers, our focus is not just on extinguishing fires, but also on protecting important data. Yamato Protec's inert gas fire extinguishing systems are designed to handle any type of fire emergency while minimizing damage to electrical systems. Energy sources change over time, and Yamato Protec is quick to respond with new products. For example, fire suppression systems exclusively for wind power facilities. Today, we are thinking outside the box to develop other new methods of disaster prevention for the world's evolving infrastructures. We are well versed in assessing the potential for catastrophic risk. For example, disaster preparedness is essential in public areas frequently accessed by cars, such as gas stations and parking lots.
セルフスタンドに設置していただいているのは泡消火設備になります。各レーンごとに設置することによって深夜従業員が1人だけという場合でも素早い消火ができ、大災害を防ぐことができます。
In high-rise apartment buildings, Yamato Protec's easy-to-handle escape ladders and evacuation hatches provide an extra measure of personal safety. Disaster prevention also depends on the environment. Water freezes easily in cold regions, so it cannot be used for firefighting. That's where people depend on Yamato Protec's dry chemical fire extinguishing systems. We want family spaces to be the safest places. No doubt, family safety has always been a core value of Yamato Protec, and it will always be our focus. Well-designed and simple enough for anyone to use, residential fire extinguishers and alarms are an important part of Yamato Protec's product line. In the spaces where people feel most comfortable, you can be sure Yamato Protec is on guard. What can you do to help prevent disasters? When there's an emergency, what are some good ways to minimize damage? We've focused our business on such issues, and that's why Yamato Protec is Japan's #1 protector. Disasters are naturally unpredictable. No one knows when or where they'll strike. So it's important to plan ahead by conducting thorough disaster simulations. At our Center for Research and Development, Yamato Protec has one of the world's leading disaster simulation facilities. Here we monitor changes to social and infrastructure platforms, amass strict verification procedures, and conduct fundamental research to evolve disaster prevention measures. We are interested in much more than meeting standard regulations. We are devoted to creating user-friendly, revolutionary, proprietary disaster prevention technologies.
当社の方針の中に困っている人を助けたいというものがあるんですけども、ある意味技術の限界を目指していくといいますか、どんな火災でも消せる手段を見つけるというところに誇りを持って常にやりがいを感じていると。
Yamato Protec has 4 production centers manufacturing products and systems for all key areas of disaster prevention. Our Tokyo factory primarily specializes in alarm systems. In Vietnam, our largest overseas production base, we have 2 factories. The Vietnam factory produces fire extinguishing systems, while the Dong Nai factory produces evacuation systems. Both product lines are designed for markets outside of Japan. And finally, our main production center is our Osaka factory.
事故ゼロ、不良ゼロの推進を基本方針に日常の生産活動を行っています。まず内製化を主体とした工場展開といたしまして、今後ますます広がっていく世界市場を視野に入れながら生産力の向上を日々進めてまいります。
Yamato Protec has production bases in Vietnam, Taiwan, Dalian, and Bangkok that serve as worldwide resource procurement centers, offering cost-efficient, high-quality manufacturing materials. Why do we prefer in-house manufacturing? First, we have a deep personal commitment to quality. Next, the increased efficiency of in-house manufacturing allows us to offer competitive pricing. Furthermore, our production sites meet strict environmental standards. Balancing those factors to implement the best production systems, Yamato Protec is able to offer the safest, highest quality products. In recent years, the importance of disaster prevention has been growing. As a comprehensive disaster prevention equipment manufacturer, Yamato Protec offers a full range of services: development, design, construction, maintenance, and recycling. And we strive to offer a level of product quality and security well beyond our clients' demands. As Japan's #1 protector, efficient use of limited resources and respect for the environment are integral to our mission. In fact, Yamato Protec introduced the world's first dry chemical fire extinguisher recycling system. What's more, we have achieved a recycling rate of 100%, including chemicals. And with an industry-first recycling technology for dry chemical extinguishing agents, we have achieved an outstanding recycling rate of 60%. Our biggest strength is how we respond to need for new disaster prevention technologies and products. That's what makes us Japan's #1 disaster prevention system supplier and helped us earn the #1 market share for major fire extinguishing systems. While our track record is all about ensuring Japan's safety, in the coming years, Yamato Protec will be expanding into new business fields and targeting new markets. Protecting the world's future through disaster prevention systems. The continuing mission of Yamato Protec for our next 100 years.